Understanding English verb tenses can be challenging for learners, but with the right approach, it becomes manageable. The following guide breaks down each tense with clear explanations and examples. Present simple. This tense is used for habitual actions or general truths. For example, I walk to school every day. Structure. Subject plus base form of the verb, he, she, slash it plus verb s. Example, she reads books. Present continuous. Used for actions happening now or around the present time. Structure. Subject plus and slashes slash are plus verb ing. Example, they are playing soccer. Past simple. Describes actions completed in the past. Structure. Subject plus past form of the verb. Example, I visited my grandmother last week. Past continuous. Indicates ongoing actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. Structure. Subject plus with slash were plus verb ing. Example, we were watching a movie at 8 p.m. Future simple. Used for actions that will happen in the future. Structure. Subject plus will plus base form of the verb. Example, she will travel to Paris next month. Future continuous. Describes actions that will be ongoing in the future. Structure. Subject plus will be plus verb ing. Example, I will be studying at this time tomorrow. Present perfect. Links past actions to the present, often emphasizing results. Structure. Subject plus have slash has plus past participle. Example, they have finished their homework. Past perfect. Used to show that an action happened before another action in the past. Structure. Subject plus had plus past participle. Example, by the time we arrived, she had left. Future perfect. Describes actions that will be completed before a specific future time. Structure. Subject plus will have plus past participle. Example, we will have completed the project by next week. Present perfect continuous. Focuses on the duration of an activity that began in the past and is still continuing or has recently stopped. Structure. Subject plus have slash has been plus verb ing. Example, I have been reading for 2 hours. Past perfect continuous. Emphasizes the duration of a past action that was ongoing before another past action. Structure. Subject plus had been plus verb ing. Example, she had been living abroad for a year when she got the job offer. Future perfect continuous. Used for actions that will continue up until a point in the future. Structure. Subject plus will have been plus verb ing. Example, by next year, I will have been working here for 5 years. By practicing these structures and using them in sentences, learners can become proficient in using English tenses correctly. Regular practice and speaking will solidify one's understanding.